Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the easiest problem in Codeforces. It's called the watermelon. So click on the problem set and click on this button twice. 1, 2. It will show you the watermelon problem. Click here. So after this you should read this paragraph. For input, the first and the only input line contains integer number w between 1 and 100, the weight of the watermelon bought by the boys. Output, print yes if the boys can divide the watermelon into two parts, each of them weighing an even number of kilos, and no in the opposite case. Example, input 8 and output yes. For example, the boys can divide the watermelon into two parts of 2 and 6 kilos respectively. Another variant, two parts of 4 and 4 kilos. Let's begin.